Hey there, folks. It's Thursday, around 4:30 p.m., and we have Winter Storm Titan approaching us for this weekend, Sunday through Monday. But as you can see, that's pretty much a cloud in the sky, maybe a real one. I have not seen any kind of chemtrail, contrail, whatever you want to call them. I will be watching the skies for the next 4 days. Well, at least tomorrow and the Saturday. Saturday it's supposed to be up to like 48 degrees here in Ohio. I will see if there's any increase of chemtrails or contrails, whichever you want to call them. But one thing I also want to know is, why did they start naming these winter storms? But, well, here for the next minute or so, you can go ahead and watch the real clouds float on by. Keep checking back for more updates.